Hello everyone, today I will show you how to copy someone's base in Clash of Clans. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So currently this is my base right now, but let's say I want to copy someone's base because it looked much stronger. The thing is to keep in mind is that you can only copy base if the team member is in your clan. So you can only copy the base if you are in the same clan with them. You cannot copy base from like other people if you guys are not in the same clan. So let's say I want to copy my team leader, my co-leader base. I'm gonna click on profile, click on visit, and so this is like a heart base. I can click on the copy layout, and then I can click on either of these base that I want to copy to, and then I'm gonna click on OK. So once you are okay with it, you can click on save. But this is how you would be able to copy any one base